Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from BinaryOptionsTutor.com. I'm back again with another trusted broker review. This time we're covering the Boss Capital platform. This will be added to our trusted brokers available on our site at BinaryOptionsTutor.com. I'm going to go through some of the pros and cons, some of the things I covered on our site when I talked about researching the brokers, doing your own due diligence, and we'll just jump right in. Uh, this platform is using white label Tech Financial, which is a very established uh, platform for trading binary options. Boss Capital uh, offers a fairly low minimum, only $10 as far as the trade size, and as far as the barrier of entry to open an account, that's only $200. So you do have that fixture in place of minimum wager of 5% and the barrier of entry of $200. The minimum withdrawal on this platform is $100. So again, you have that in place. I believe you can get one free withdrawal, and there is a fee affixed after that one withdrawal per month. So you might want to bear that in mind. Tech Financial platform. Uh, a while ago, we traded a lot when we initially got back into binary options a couple of years ago. Traded a lot on the Tech Financial platform. I like especially like the expiry prices on this platform. The field is a bit of a learning curve as far as the execution on the fields, but overall a pretty good platform. Um, there is risk management on the part of the broker in place, and what I mean by that is a lot of times coming up to major news. Sometimes during the Asian session, there will be limited uh, expiries available for certain pairs. Again, because of the liquidity in the underlying market, perhaps that's the reason. And some people would list that as a con. I'm going to list that as a pro because it shows me that the broker is aware of some form or fashion of handling risk management on their behalf, so that they're able to provide the payouts. And let's talk a little bit about the payouts. Payouts are generally between 70 and 85% at this broker. Some of the more liquid pairs, you'll find a higher payout. Some of the longer time frames, you'll find a higher payout. One thing I like about the expiries on this broker is that you can take expiries at the end of the day, the end of week, in some cases the end of the month, and that, if you're a longer term trader, that just gives you a little bit more flexibility there. This isn't available on some platforms, so that's a plus. Another great pro that I like about this platform, I've always liked this about the Tech Financial platforms, is the ability to sell out of a trade early, because it brings it into a place where your speculation is not entirely in and of itself being about right or wrong. And so if you're able to get into a trade and wager perhaps 15, 20, 30 minutes out from that expiry, you'll have time to look at whatever the anchors, whatever measures you use to get you into this trade. And if you feel like, some of these anchors and some of the reasons that you put the trade on are starting to dry up, and maybe this trade isn't going to work for you, you have an opportunity to leave, possibly capturing 20 to 50% of your initial wager. That's not something you can do on every broker, but it is something that's unique to the tech financial platforms, especially with the longer term trades. I think that's a very big plus, is it takes you away from just zero sum, all or nothing speculation. Another thing is the payouts in and of themselves. Like I said, 70 to 85%, very competitive. Lots of times you have a potential payout as high as 85%, and this is comparative to other brokers. You'll find it's pretty good. And sometimes, in the it kind of, maybe in my opinion, again, it's just in our opinion, it slips by some guys that the slight differences in these payouts can potentially mean 3 to 8% plus as far as the actual profits, is you're playing out a stream of trades, and that's your edge. That's what's given to you in the event that you're able to speculate profitably. And I'm always endeavoring to get as much on my side as far as the technicals, and also as much on my side as far as the payouts. So there are some very competitive payouts on the tech financial platform. Some of the cons: Boss Capital is a newer platform. If you look around, there's pretty positive feedback on this broker. I'm aware of the company behind this broker. I've spoke with the affiliate guys that are working with me with this broker, and I've been assured that if any issues come up, I can bring it to their attention. If you choose to sign up to this broker via our link, we are offering a lifetime membership to our ESP binary options trading room, and also the back end area in whatever we're providing back there. Like sometimes we'll add in custom indicators. There are already a lot of custom indicators and strategies, and we trade live, do live streams about 3 days a week. We've been doing so for the last couple of months now in the ESP room. So that, along with all of the other little things that we're planning in the future, is a great benefit, and it means that you're going to, if you decide to endeavor to speculate in binary options, this is an opportunity to trade in a group. I believe a group setting is very good. You're able to trade with other like-minded individuals. Also trade alongside someone, parties with experience in this particular form of speculation. Again, we're offering a lifetime membership if you're able to sign up and fund a new account through our link for Boss Capital. It requires a $200 minimum to open the account, and like I said before, the minimum trade size is just $10. So we give Boss Capital a thumbs up. They are a newer broker, but very positive. I'm familiar with the other platforms that are owned and operated by the guys behind Boss Capital, and they're well established. Boss Capital is not regulated, and that in and of itself, sometimes people, depending on your own opinion, can be a pro or a con. But if a broker is U.S. friendly, and Boss Capital is a U.S. friendly broker operating off the tech financial platform, which is, in my opinion, a pro. When that the case that some of these brokers that are still U.S. friendly, they're not going to be regulated. The brokers that are regulated via the EU, Cyprus, or some form of EU FCA regulation, they would not be available, or U.S. friendly is a provision of that regulation. So that's just the other side to that coin of that. But again, feedback on this broker and the communication that I've had with the guys at this company, and the fact that they've been established now for some time, we give them a thumbs up. Absolutely love the platform. Lots of positive uh, things to be said about Tech Financial Platform. Really a good overall trading experience. I've traded a little of this platform, and very good overall trading experience. Like I said, the only con is at times these guys are going to impose risk management, and there won't be as much liquidity to put on trades at all times. But again, when you trade a lot with us in the ESP room, you'll see I'm never pushing insane volume of trading. I'm a believer in quality over quantity, and there are not always amazing opportunities, high probability opportunities to speculate in the markets. So that's about all for this review, and that's Boss Capital. Again, if you sign up to this broker via our links, you've got a lifetime membership. We're not going to leave you hanging. You'll enjoy your time inside of the ESP Binary Options Live Trading Room. You'll enjoy whatever signals we send out via Twitter to be executed manually, whatever signals we provide inside of our bot signals. All of that will be given to you free. It's subsidized really by the broker if you choose to sign up via our links. Once again, this is Alfred via BinaryOptionsTutor.com. I'll see you guys on the next video.